My name is Sean, and this is my Blender project, and this is how I made it. So I used parts like this sphere, and then I made another sphere and shaped it to like a kind of like an oval shape. And then I made the eyes with more spheres, and then with the cones I made the nose and the spike on the head because it's a rhino, and this is the mouth, and this is the body. It's like a shape kind of, and I use edit mode to edit that shape, and then I use spheres to make these arms, and then I use more spheres to make this long tail, and then I added color to it, and then I just added the shadows and added flat, and then I made it long, and then I made it wide for the grass. And then I added color, and then I added the shadows, and then I added the sun, and then this is the finished product. This is what it looks like now. This is my newest second character I made. And bye-bye.